Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will create a YouTube banner something like this. Every material was available in the link given in the description, so you can download those material from the description. Downloaded zip file is password protected and password is divided into 3 parts which will be visible on video in 3 parts, so please carefully watch the video to get password. So, without any delay, let's get into video. This logo is created in Pixel Lab, which is free on Play Store or App Store. First you have to open Pixel Lab application in your mobile. Click on upper right 3 dots and select image size and YouTube banner size so we get enough space to edit your banner. After selecting the size of banner, click on background color option and click on gradient and create a gradient which you want to give in your banner's background. After selecting banner template, resize it 100% using relative size option so it can fit in whole. After locking the template, click on plus icon and select shape, draw a shape. After drawing a shape, click on the color option and choose the color you want. Click on the copy button, copy shape again and color other 2 shapes in different color again and place it like shown in a video. After coloring shapes, lock it all the layer using layer panel so it will not move during edit. After locking layers, click on the plus icon and select from gallery option. From gallery option, select your image or logo and in place it, click OK. After placing your image or logo, select shadow option and turn it on. After shadow, click on the plus icon and select gallery option. Select white glow from given file and in place it, click OK. Place the glow behind your image or logo and adjust. Click on the plus icon and select text. Type your channel name in the text box and click OK. Click on the font option and choose a meter bold font from the list. The font used in the video is given in the file. Lock it all the layer using layer panel so it will not move during edit. Adjust the name of your channel according to you. After adjusting channel name, click on the shadow option and turn it on. Click on the color of sun and select second word of your channel name and color it to another color. After selecting color, click on the stroke icon and give a stroke width to 1. Click on the plus icon and select text option. After selecting text option, click on the text and write your channel topics. Please contact after your channel name and adjust according to you. Click on the plus icon and select gallery option. From gallery option, select red PNG given in the files and place it in the left corner of your banner. Again, click on the plus icon and select gallery option. From gallery option, select triangles PNG given in the files and place it in the right corner of your banner. Again, click on the plus icon and select gallery option. From gallery option, select red vignette PNG given in the files and resize it and place in the center of the banner so it cover the full banner. Again, click on the plus icon and select gallery option. From gallery option, select YouTube PNG given in the files. Resize it very small and place behind the picture or a logo in your banner. Click on the rotation and rotate your YouTube PNG. Select shadow and turn it on. Copy the PNG and again and place on the other side of your image or logo and make it small. Write available on in the text box and click OK. Click on the plus icon and select gallery option. From gallery option, select YouTube PNG given in the files. Resize it and place with text box. Click on the plus icon and select text option. Copy the PNG and select on reselect button and select Instagram PNG. Resize it and place with YouTube PNG. Copy the text button and write your social handles on it. Resize it and place with Instagram PNG. Select all 4 layers from the layer option and merge them all. Resize it and place lower to YouTube topic text box. Our banner is ready for export. After size, click on the shape button look like floppy disk and click on save image. After clicking on save image to image, type to PNG and export ultra format for better resolution. Hope you will like the video and share with other, and please comment down if you have some confusion or any suggestion.